Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Laura. Hi, hello, welcome. I'm going to talk about all the items I am intending to use for the next month within the month of October. I'm really excited. This is basically a shop my stash, except I'm not going to actually take you shopping. I just want to talk about like why I'm bringing in the items that I'm bringing in. I am not going to talk about eyeshadows in this video. I will save that for my No Pan Left Behind video. That should be coming in about a week. First things we're going to talk about that I am going to like my intentions for the month, and one of them is this guy. I have been low-key just trying to finish this on the back burner. I don't really like this a whole heck of a lot. I did do a like ranking all of the Supergoop products I tried video, and this ranked pretty low. I don't think that this is going to last longer than the month, but I do intend to finish this up, and I'm very excited to finish this guy. And then my last skincare product that I'm going to try to work through this month was actually, this was a gift from Haley as well a few years ago at this point, but I've not opened it. I haven't unboxed it, that kind of thing. This is a trial, like a 5 ml size of the Tatcha water cream. I've never tried this. It's so little. It's so cute. But I'm excited to give this a whirl and see how I like it. So I'm going to try to use this as well. So I have my like liquid complexion and cream complexion products laid out in front of me of what I would like to use this month. And the first one is in a project pan. So of course I would like to get my uses in this and roll it out of my project. But I have been really enjoying using this. It's lightly gripping. Then something I've been trying to just like pan, because I like it in conjunction with that Supergoop one, because the Supergoop one I can't put as close to my eye area. I put the air bubble back into it. I squeezed the air bubble out and then it was difficult to get product out. So I put the air bubble back into this product, but I don't think I have more than like this much in here. I don't have a whole heck of a lot, so I would really love to see if I could finish this up this month. Two concealer products that I have not been able to put down. So this guy you would have seen in my Trash It and Cash It this past month. I bought this, really I was going off of Sarah Rose's recommendation for the NYX Bare With Me Serum Concealer. And then I have not been able to put this down since I purchased this a couple months ago. This is the NARS Eye Brightener. Mine has fluff and fuzz in it, and I've tried to take it out, but I have such a substantial dip in this. Again, because I haven't been able to put this down, I've just been making progress trying to rotate through my cream blush collection, and so I am going to be rotating this guy in to use for the month. It is a little bit brighter. This is the LA Girl Velvet Contour Stick, and this is in the shade Velour. It's just a pink. Something that's on my list of 30 before 2024 is this guy, and I'm a little nervous actually that I'm not going to meet my goal on it, even though there's such little product left in this. So there's just this little amount left, and even in there's an air bubble of product for the product. The next is my oldest foundation that's in a shade that matches me right now, and that is the Fenty Eaze drops, these guy here. And it is impossible to see through this packaging. I have tried and tried to see through this packaging. I've held lights. I've held it up to the light. I just want to see what I can do with this. Maybe I can get to a point where it's hard to squeeze product out. Now I have the rest of my complexion products, but they're all the powder products. And first is this guy. This is a CoverFX. This is the CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder mixed with this guy actually. This is the 𝙍𝙬𝙘 Luxe Pro powder in Pearl Luminizer. There's a very small amount. I did use this today as well. Once I get to that stage, I am going to switch to this powder. And my plan is actually to decant all of this because I don't like the packaging of this one nearly as much. I'm going to decant this, which there's not that much left. But I'm going to put it into this container here, and I am going to mix some of this 𝙍𝙬𝙘 Beauty Pearl Luminizer in with this. Then I did roll in this guy because it's running out of season for me to use this, so I just wanted to pull this out. This is the Body Shop Coconut Bronze Bronzer in Matte Cocoa number 3. I have a pan in it. I just want to continue to expand some pan while it's still in the warmer months of the year. Then I've been using this guy here. This is a loose eyeshadow by bareMinerals, but I use this as a cream, not a cream. I use this as a loose contour. So I have it on just right on the contours of my cheeks today. Then I have a couple cheek powders or cheek shades, cheek products in this that I wanted to use over the next couple weeks. I've been really wanting to buy new blush, and I don't reach for the blushes in my collection nearly enough. Because of that, I am going to roll in this guy here. This is so old in my collection, oh my gosh, but it smells and performs fine. This is MAC Melba. This is probably 10 years old. So it works just fine. It smells just fine. I'm going to keep using it. I have it on today. Then a newer blush to my collection. Recently, I did a Pretties for Your Face haul a few months ago, and this guy here is in the shade Bashful. This is such a pretty blush. It is that like NARS Orgasm kind of shade where it's a peach with a gold flip to it. I didn't swatch Melba out, but I will. So that is Pretties for Your Face. And then MAC Melba, we'll just do down here. Highlight wise, I ended up bringing in this guy here. This is Ofra from a trio. This is the Feelin' Myself trio in the shade Rodeo Drive. I just like to use this to layer with other highlights, and I am trying to finish my Becca Moonstone highlight up, so I figured this would be a good one to layer with it. And then since we are in October, I figured I'd kind of put like an oddball highlighter shade in as well, and that is this guy here. This is Dandelions Cosmetics shade Spriggan. It is definitely a blue toned highlighter, but you'll be seeing a build your own palette come the end of the week on Saturday, and I have some mint shades in there that I think will lend really well to having a highlight in that tone. But this is Rodeo Drive, just a really pretty neutral champagne kind of shade. And then, man, this is Spriggan from Dandelions Cosmetics. Also want to focus on another item from my 30 before 2024. This is the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It's a beautiful, beautiful setting spray. I'm wearing it today. It's just so, so lovely. Then I have all of my other like random eye products and lips, and then like a perfume that I want to talk about. I guess I'll talk about the perfume first because it's not super interesting, but I did want to bring in this little mini sample travel trial size of the replica. This is in Coffee Break. I really, really enjoy this smell to the point where I have put this on my birthday wish list. It transports me to like just a warm autumn evening and like sipping coffee. It's so, so nice. Something I want to use at least a couple times, the KVD Dazzle stick in the shade Electro Bolt. This is so unbelievably pretty. Oh, yeah, just look at how beautiful that is. But I did want to shop and bring in some new lip products. And when I say new lip products, they're not new. They're from my stash still. Except for, actually, there have been a couple of lip products that have made their way in. However, it was PR from Fantasy Cosmetica. One of them I have right here. One of them is in my car that I'll be taking to and from work with me for the next little while. But first is going to be this guy here. I just want to bring in another lip liner, and it's the time of year for darker lips. I have this on really lightly today. This is the Colourpop BFF3 Lippy Pencil. It's just a dark chocolatey brown. I also have this Fenty Beauty lipstick in Scholar Sister, and it's one I'm wearing today, but it's just a really pretty rosy kind of tone. One that I tried in a video when I was filming all of my stuff yesterday, I put this on thinking it was going to be a lot more brown toned than it was. This is so pretty, and I cannot wait to wear this in like a look just like inspired by just this shade. This is the KVD Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Midnight Phlox, and this is so pretty. This is way more red than I was anticipating, but I have a couple just random lip products. First is this Essence Juicy Bomb Lip Gloss. This has been kind of my at-home lip gloss anymore. That's the one that I've been trying to apply more often than not because that one's getting older in my collection, and I can I can tell it's starting to go off. I also want to just see how much use and wear I can get out of this Kopari Lip Glossy. It's in the bubblegum scent. Not my favorite scent-wise, but it's a clear one. It works well. Then, because we are in the brown lip season, I have this Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow Heat. It's lightly plumping, very nice lip gloss. Then the last lip product in my Shop My Stash rotation is actually not my last one, but it's the only one I have physically with me right now. But that is this Fantasy Cosmetica. This is their lip oil, and this is in the Warlock's shade Ifrit. I also have the Druid, I think, which was the Archery. I think that was the one. But I have the green one as well, and they're such nice scented lip oils. They smell like fruit snacks. They smell so nice. This one smells like a fruit by the foot or like a fruit roll-up. It's so lovely. This is not because they sent this to me and I have an affiliate code, but this is truly the nicest lip oil I have used. It's just so nice. And again, it smells like fruit snacks. It smells so good. They are plumping, but it's not like that super intense, like minty tingle. But you do feel like the sensation of a tingle. It's really cool though. But that is everything that I'm planning on focusing on in the month of October. It's a lot of really great items, I think. I have a lot of things that I'm focusing on eyeshadow wise that you'll be seeing on Saturday again when you are watching my build your own palette video. It's a dupe inspired build your own palette that I'm planning on focusing on throughout the course of the entire month of October, or like the next 3 weeks of October. But I'm super excited about that as well, and just getting more use out of my collection. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know any of the products that you're planning on using over the course of the next month. I would love to know what vibes are you going for that month of October. I know I'm leaning more towards those warm, super warm tones, but I'm super excited to do a whole look or week or whatever solely based on this beautiful, beautiful shade of lipstick. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. But that is it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying healthy, sane, and safe wherever you are. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.